How do you find an advisor that you're compatible with and that you feel comfortable with? Hi everyone, Isaiah Real here, financial advisor and certified financial planner with Laguna Wealth Advisors. Finding a financial advisor is a daunting task. Why? Because you're entrusting this person with your life savings. That's why. It's not an easy conversation, nor is it something simple. Very complex, a lot of different details here. And it's an important discussion and it's an important decision for you when you're looking to find your financial advisor. And so today I want to share with you 3 questions to ask yourself, and you can ask these to your financial advisor as well, to make sure that you're compatible with each other and to make sure that you are comfortable with your financial advisor, because that's the most important thing at the end of the day. Being a financial advisor, you want to make sure that you can ask your financial advisor anything, any questions. You want to make sure that your financial advisor has a relationship with you that they can bring anything up to you as well. So here's 3 questions to ask yourself. Question number 1, can I relate to this financial advisor? Do I feel compatible with them? You're going to be having some very serious conversations at some point given time. You're going to be having some maybe uncomfortable conversations. So number 1, you want to make sure that you find someone that you feel comfortable with, that you can ask any kind of question. You will not believe the amount of times that I've heard from people before they become clients of mine that their previous advisor, they didn't ask them specific questions because they thought they were dumb questions. They thought their financial advisor was going to, either diminish their question, not even answer their question. Maybe they thought it was going to be a stupid question. All of that is nonsense. You should feel comfortable and confident enough to ask any type of question, big or small. Make sure you find someone that can feel that same way. At the same time, you want to make sure that you have a financial advisor that, simply put, gives it to you straight. If something good is happening, if something bad is happening, if an adjustment needs to be made, you want to make sure you find an individual that will give you a call, go see you in person, pick up the phone and tell you, hey, Susie Q, this is what's happening. We need to make an adjustment and here's why. The second question to ask yourself, does this advisor have a good track record? And does this advisor come highly recommended? Now, of course, like anything else in life, when we're looking to buy a home, a new car, an appliance of some sort, what do? You typically go online to find reviews. You should do the same thing when it comes to financial advisors. Go online to brokercheck.org, brokercheck.com to see what your advisor, the person you're talking to, do they have a good track record, yes or no? Meaning, do they have any complaints, black check marks, anything like that? Broker Check will be the place to go look for that. If your advisor comes highly recommended to you or is a referral to you, call that person up that went with them and ask them, hey, why did you go with this financial advisor? What made you comfortable enough to talk to them and become a client? How has your experience been with your advisor? Make sure you ask them those types of questions to get an idea of how the experience has been for them and possibly how it may be for you. And the third question to ask yourself is, and this revolves around communication. What kind of communication style do you want when it comes to your monies? And make sure you share that with the advisor. Do you want to be talked to once a quarter, once a month, once a year? How often do you want to talk about your money, your retirement plan? And ask your advisor too as well if you guys are on the same page when it comes to communication style. Because I'll tell you this, when it comes to communication, that's going to be maybe the most important thing out of all this is how do you communicate with your financial advisor, and the frequency of how you communicate can really help you when it comes to your retirement plan, your investments, and also your overall well-being when it comes to your monies and it comes to your retirement. So those are the 3 questions to ask yourself to make sure that you feel compatible with an advisor. I look forward to talking to you again soon. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.